Biogest receives order for biogas plant near Ankara, Turkey. Biogest has received an order to build an agricultural biogas plant near Ankara, Turkey. The project in Akkurt is the company's first biogas plant in Turkey and was developed in cooperation with Enerlink. Sugimit to supply Europe's largest olive oil producer with biomass boiler. Spanish engineering solutions company Sugimit will supply a turnkey biomass steam boiler to Europe's largest olive oil producer. The biomass boiler, with an equivalent thermal power of 11 megawatts, will be fitted at the San Miguel Arcangel factory in the city of Jaén in southern Spain. HWRC operators must create action plans for reopening, says WRA. Household waste recycling centers should create action plans for the reopening of facilities following the COVID-19 lockdown, according to the Wood Recyclers Association. Food for thought. Philip Simpson, commercial director at UK food waste AD firm, Re-Food, delves deeper into recent figures on food waste recycling rates. Re-Food operates 3 anaerobic digestion facilities in the UK, in London, Doncaster, and Widnes. Renewable energy can support COVID-19 recovery, says Irena. Renewable energy can support a resilient and equitable recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic, according to the International Renewable Energy Agency. Port of Seattle Commission approves RNG supply contract with U.S. Gain. The Port of Seattle Commission has approved a 10-year supply contract with U.S. Gain for renewable natural gas. The move will enable the port to reach its 2030 goal to reduce carbon emissions by 50% almost a decade early. Biogas and biomass conferences rescheduled for 2021. The International Biogas and Biomass Congress and Expos, which were due to take place in Brussels in October 2020 alongside the Biofuels International Conference and Expo, have been postponed until 2021. Use of biomethane as transport fuel increased by 291% in U.S. since 2015. The use of biomethane as a transportation fuel has increased by 291% in the U.S. since 2015, according to recent figures. New study highlights importance of large-scale biomethane production. Large-scale production of biomethane and green and blue hydrogen is important to achieve 55% emissions reductions by 2030, according to a new study. Enviva reveals responsible sourcing policy goals for 2020. Enviva has announced new goals and initiatives to meet its responsible sourcing policy provisions throughout the year. The company's 2020 implementation plans are a detailed proposal of Enviva's commitment to responsible and sustainable wood sourcing. Borger Multicrusher introduced to award-winning Scottish biogas project. A multicrusher supplied by Borger is being used at an award-winning waste-to-energy project in the Outer Hebrides, Scotland. The Creed Integrated Waste Management Facility on the Isle of Lewis processes salmon waste into biogas using anaerobic digestion. Joint survey matching organic waste producers to AD facilities launched. A joint survey matching organic waste producers to their nearest anaerobic digestion operators has been launched in the UK. Please check our other daily videos. www.asianbiomass.com